बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम कोरा ऑर्गेन्जा सिल्क मार्क्ड सर्टिफाइड, satin patta border, on that antique zari woven, bhishom sundar sari, what all the ladies in the life nowadays are saying. Bright orange with bright reddish blood red, you can say. And this comes the blouse piece, silver and gold zari woven buttas, and this is the blouse piece. The rich पल्लू इन कैरी डिज़ाइन, बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है, एक्सट्रीमली ब्यूटीफुल. बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम कोरा ऑर्गेन्जा सिल्क मार्क्ड सर्टिफाइड, वीव्ड ऑन सैटिन पट्टा बॉर्डर एंड ऑन दैट एंटीक सरी. लवली साड़ी विद द सोना रूपा वीविंग ऑफ बूटा सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड. द शेडेड lovely shaded dye, extremely premium quality साड़ी with the carry motifs on the pallu, and blouse is in singa color. This is the blouse piece plain with border. Very heavy quality sari of premium kora organza Banarasi silk marked certified. Banarasi pure handloom kora organza silk marked certified, beautiful border on kadwa weaving, no backside threads, with the beautiful motifs and the lovely vibrant color. Sona Rupa motifs, silver and gold, and the rich carry design pallu with the blouse in contrast. This is the look of the sari. You can see very heavy quality, silk marked certified, pure kora organza Banarasi. Banarasi premium quality 4-ply kora organza with the golden and silver kadwa weaved buttas and border. You can see the finishing of the border in golden zari and the buttas all over. Sona Rupa. The fineness of the sari, very high quality fabric. You can see the fabric quality, silk marked certified, weaved in pure golden zari, and blouse is plain with border. Very beautiful sari. Banarsi pure handloom kora organza silk marked certified, weaved in pure golden zari border. This is proper golden zari border with the konya design and small Sona Rupa booties, one in silver, one in gold. Booties all over. Upper and lower both borders are equal. The rich pallu and blouse is plain with border. Very beautiful traditional look sari. Very lovely. Banarsi premium quality kora organza on 4-ply, beautiful border, the latest design with the one silver and one gold butta Sona Rupa, the beautiful and rich pallu, and blouse is plain with border, same as the sari. This is the blouse piece. This is the look of the whole sari. You can see the fabric feel, very beautiful and very heavy quality kora organza. The whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom kora organza silk marked certified, weaved on satin patta border and on that antique zari woven buttas border. Lovely Sona Rupa weaved buttas all over the sari. The rich carry design pallu, very heavy quality. You can see the fabric quality with the shaded dye, and this is the blouse piece. Banarsi premium quality 4-ply kora organza, weaved in Sona Rupa booties, very beautiful booties with a small border and konya design on the pallu. The rich palla with the konya design, and whole sari you will get these motifs. Upper and lower border both are same, equal.